In the corridors of our schools echoes a prevailing issue that strikes at the heart of our educational system: educational inequality. This silent divider, long standing in the shadows, leaves behind a trail of missed opportunities and unrealized potential. It stems from a one size fits all approach that, unfortunately, does not fit all. The lack of resources tailored to diverse learners' unique needs becomes glaringly apparent, widening the gap between potential and achievement. The repercussions of overlooking these critical issues are far reaching, embedding inequality into the very fabric of our future. We're prompted to ask, how do we pivot from this entrenched path? The answer lies in embracing inclusivity, not as an abstract ideal, but as an actionable framework within our educational systems. This narrative explores the transformative power of inclusive education, promising a horizon bright with equality and opportunity for all learners, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the vast potential of a system that values every student. Welcome to a new dawn in education, one where every student finds their place, every voice is heard, and every difference is celebrated. Inclusive education represents a transformative movement, acknowledging the value of diversity in our classrooms and adapting learning environments for all students. It marks a departure from traditional education models focused on the majority, shifting towards ensuring no learner is left behind. Built on the principles of recognizing and respecting individual differences, whether based on ethnicity, socioeconomic status, physical abilities, or learning preferences. Inclusive education offers a learning space that is accessible, participatory, and responsive. We are moving beyond models that inadvertently exclude toward tailor-made learning experiences benefiting all. As the narrative progresses, we explore the real-world impact of inclusive education through compelling examples, highlighting its role in improving academic performance, fostering community, and preparing students for a diverse world. As the narrative unfolds, we're at the heart of change, where theory meets practice in the transformative realm of inclusive education. Globally, schools are not just adopting this approach, but are redefining success for every student. Through case studies, we observe resilient strategies that embed inclusivity into the educational fabric. One inspiring example shows a school transforming potential obstacles into stepping stones toward inclusivity by integrating tailored teaching methods. Despite hurdles and resistance, the commitment to ensure no child is left behind sparked innovation, laying out a path of true progress through sensitivity and determination. This common thread, a belief in every student's potential and dedication to accessible education, showcases how commitment prepares students not just academically, but for life in a diverse world. This journey from recognizing traditional education's challenges to exploring inclusive education's transformative potential reveals vast benefits, from elevating academic achievement to nurturing essential social skills like empathy and resilience. It's about more than sharing a classroom. It's about participating in a mutual learning journey. Remarkably, students in inclusive settings often outperform their peers, dispelling myths that such models dilute academic rigor. The holistic approach of inclusive education prepares students academically, morally, socially, and emotionally, equipping them to thrive in diverse environments and fostering a strong sense of community among learners. Standing at the threshold of change, the path toward implementing inclusive education is illuminated by the promise of a brighter future for all our students. This journey begins with understanding the diverse needs of every student and embracing the wealth of resources available for transition. Schools are encouraged to reach out, share experiences, and draw from the global educational community's collective wisdom. This moment beckons a call to action. Embrace change, champion inclusivity, and witness the transformative power of an education system that truly caters to all. Together, we can build a future where every student has the opportunity to thrive.